Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and it's Monday, so you know what time it is. It's time for another gaming review. And as promised, this week we're going to be taking a look at Honor's mid-range big screen phone, the Honor 8X, to see how it handles some of our favorite games on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, just a few quick reminders. Number one, the unit that we have with us is still an engineering unit, so we can't run benchmark tests. So we'll have to update you on that once Honor sends us a retail unit to Unbox HQ. Number two, for newcomers, we use an app called GameBench to measure the metrics on each of the games that we'll be trying out today. If you want to know more about the app, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can check it out. Number three, last but not the least, is a rundown on some of the key specs of the Honor 8X. Starting, of course, with its processing package. The Honor 8X has a Kirin 710 processor, which is currently Huawei's mid-range SoC of choice. This is paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. You also have a Mali G51 MP4 GPU. Now, one of the things that we like about the Honor 8X is its larger than average screen. You have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, so playing games on this device is absolutely enjoyable, plus consuming content as well. Juicing up the Honor 8X is a 3750 mAh battery that supports fast charging, and it runs on Android Oreo 8.1 with EMUI 8.2 on top of it. With that out of the way, let's get to actual gameplay, starting off with our favorite baseline game, Asphalt 9. The 8X did very well in this fast-paced racing game on the highest settings. It managed an average of 30 frames per second, which is the maximum you can get in this game. The stability was at 88%, with most of the frame rate drops happening after the race or when going through the game's menu, but it was pretty smooth during actual races itself. On to our MOBA of choice on the Google Play Store, Vainglory 5v5. On high, we managed an average of 58 frames per second on this title at 91% stability. Most of the dips happen when both teams are on screen either scrambling to protect or destroy the core, but it's still nothing game-breaking. The lowest measured frame rate at this section of the game was at 38 frames per second, which is noticeable but nothing extremely horrible. Last but not the least is, of course, everyone's favorite battle royale, PUBG Mobile. We were able to achieve an average of 26 frames per second at 98% stability on PUBG, with the biggest drops happening at the beginning of the game. We also got a few dips here and there as textures popped in, but never during gunfights, which was an absolute relief. So that pretty much wraps things up. We hope you enjoyed this gaming review for the Honor 8X. Again, this is just an engineering unit, so you can expect a few tweaks to its performance. As for pricing and availability, sadly, we still don't have additional information about that, so keep it locked in on the website for more updates on the Honor 8X. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next ones. If you have any questions or just want to share your thoughts, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, have a great week ahead, guys, and I'll see you next time.